Alright guys, well today I got a video. We're not really, well we are going to work on the car later, but first we're going to Dane's house. I'm going to go pick up a fuel pump and some injectors off for him because I'm going to actually, instead of having it like short bed for Dino's, I'm going to try to get turboed for Dino's, and he's got a pump and injectors that I need. I haven't really driven this thing in like a month, kind of ashamed, so let's go for a ride over to Dane's house. Alright, she's on. Woke up my whole neighborhood, but it feels good. Haven't driven her for a fucking while, so let's see how this goes. So what's up, Dane?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. So you want to find out what that thing weighs? Huh?
Yeah. What's your guess?
I'm gonna guess long bed. You got everything in it, right?
Yeah.
I know those wheels weigh a ton and a half. I'm gonna say, let's say the guy closest without going under.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you're under, so I'll say 37.65.
37.65. I'm just gonna go at 4,000.
You're probably close, but I was gonna say more. I didn't want to get something.
So yeah, we're gonna go hook this thing up and see how it goes.
Alright.
Alright, so just the back?
Yeah, just the back weight. We're 1684. Your bet's looking better than mine.
Oh man. This shit is heavy.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You ready, Dane?
Alright, what did I say? 30? 65?
Yeah, and I said 4,000.
I just said that. It sounds like I know what I'm talking about. Here we go. Do 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 do. Oh, there it goes. 26. 27. It's like that gold mine joke. 20. 28. Oh.
Oh.
29. 30, 32, 33, 34. Oh, geez, it blew me.
You think it's over 4,000?
No, it's dead.
Oh, 3,000. So it weighs 3,883. Damn, it's not very 50-50, is it? It's not off though.
So if you go, that's your scale.
So 51.50 and then 38.
Yeah, cross left and rear. So here's your rear weight.
Yeah.
So it'd be, what is that? It's 43. So 57?
Yeah.
56 roughly.
So I need to put some weight in the back. That's not bad though. And let's
yeah,
see,
I think you're closer than
see
me.
what it is with me in it.
All right, here we go. The moment of truth. He's gonna jump in. 6,000, dude. 41.34. Yeah, it's like 41.34.
So with me, it really is a big 10. All right, sweet. Well, thanks, Dan. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Well, let's get this thing off the jacks and
take it back down
and get it out of his hair. All right. So yeah, huge shout out to Dane. I got the fuel pumps from him, and I got to find out how much the truck weighs a fuck ton. But now I'm at Adrian's shop because we're gonna mock up the turbo headers. I want to make sure they fit before I go take them to my buddy Oscar to get them to get all the pipes fabbed up. So yeah, and my boy actually got a cool car now. Tell me about it.
The wiring is shitty because I'm lazy to fix it.
So what is it?
It's what, Sniper?
No, it's a 71.
Oh, Torino.
So it's a 71 Torino. He just put the Holley EFI shit. He did a one-wheel peel right now. And yeah, we're gonna go try this shit on, and I'll be back once it fits. All right, update. We got it in. What do we gotta do? We gotta trim it a little bit on the frame. So Adrian just cleaned up the frame. We're gonna breach it up a little bit more, but we're gonna be idiots and start it with it on to see if it shoots flames. So. So everything's in. It fits really good. Shout out to Adrain over at Pro Auto Electric for letting me use his shop and helping me out. But I was just gonna put the exhaust back on and get the turbo pipes fabbed up later. But fuck it, I'm just gonna go home with one hooked up and one not, one open header. It sounds like a big block. I kind of really like the way it sounds, but hopefully this shit doesn't blow up on the way home. And the guy who's gonna fab up my pipes isn't too far, so this way I can go get the pipes fabbed up, come back here, and we can put the damn thing back together. And it should be turboed. I'm gonna still try to get it turboed before the get down. I need to get injectors. Thanks to Dan, I got my fuel pump. So at that point, I just need the return line, which I already have an idea of what I'm gonna do. And I bought the little ICT thing to feed the turbo. So I think I have everything. Hopefully I don't blow this thing up. Oh, and then I gotta get it tuned over at Kike's Fab and Tune. So yeah, I'm gonna go drive this shit home, but listen to it how it sounds. Alright, so Adrian's gonna follow me home and we're gonna send it. Oh man, this is retarded how loud this thing is. Adrian's following me, we're going to a gas station. So yeah. Alright guys, so just made it home. The truck is just stupid loud right now. I mean, Adrian's shop's like 15-20 minutes away from mine, from my house, and it was brutal. But hopefully I can try to get these pipes made before Dino's, get everything fabbed out. I was just talking to my buddy. It may or may not happen, so we'll see. Worst comes to the worst, I'm just gonna drive the truck like this. I just want to go to the show at this point. That's all I really care about. So I kind of delayed everything. I'm hoping to make it to the show with everything all done, but it didn't happen. So I'm just gonna drive it like this. It is what it is. I'm just super excited to be there. I'm so happy it got confirmed. So yeah, I wanted to say a huge shout out to Dane. I'll link all his stuff down in the links down below, and Adrian over there at Pro Auto Electric for helping me out, letting me use their space and come hang out. So yeah, the truck weighs a ton, but hopefully when we put turbo on it, fixes that, and then when we do the short bit swap, it makes it even faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.